Hey everyone, welcome to the channel where I cover the freshest moments from the crypto world. I'm always keeping an eye on what's new, and recently, one project really caught my attention, Lighter. In this episode, I'll walk you through their testnet, where every participant gets a $300 bonus. Lighter is a decentralized platform for trading perpetual futures. The cool part is, they use advanced zero-knowledge technology to keep everything fully legit. Every transaction is cryptographically verified, so no cheating or shady stuff. The speed matches top centralized exchanges, but it's still fully decentralized and transparent. Just yesterday, I checked out their official Twitter. They announced the testnet and said that every tester is guaranteed to get a $300 bonus. Not many projects are that generous with their community. So if you're planning to join, don't wait too long while the rewards are still live. Now I'm heading over to their official website, lightermint.xyz. I click Connect Wallet, choose my Trust Wallet, and within seconds it's connected. Super quick and easy. Right after connecting, you can see test Lighter tokens and a $300 Ethereum bonus hit your wallet. Guys, seriously, don't miss out on this one. I'll drop the link below. Try it out yourself, leave your comments, share your experience, and don't forget to subscribe. If you've already tested it, let me know if you got your tokens and what features stood out to you.